Hello, welcome to the second quiz in the series. Please click the subscribe button this side below this side to subscribe so that you'll be the first to get this quiz. So let's start with English language. Let's start with English. Number one question is, for these questions, choose the opposite in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. As a student, Isa tried communal living for a few years. A. Shared. B. Private. C. Collective. D. General. Choose the word that has the same consonant or vowel as the sound indicated with the underline. Nash is the word. A. Forge. B. Ring. C. Ground. D. Kneel. I think I mixed one. Good. Number 2 says, for the questions, choose the nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. The dressmaker unpicked the seam of the shirt. Unpicked is the word. A. Threaded. B. Picked up. C. Tore up. D. Sewed up. So those are the three. Sorry for the mix up. Now I get to mathematics. Convert 27 base 8 to a number in base 3. A. 112 base 3. B. 223 base 3. C. 122 base 3. D. 212 base 3. Convert 28 base 8 to a number in base 3. Simplify 2 sod 2 minus sod 3 all over sod 2 plus sod 3. A. 3 sod 6 minus 7. B. 3 sod 6 plus 1. C. 3 sod 6 plus 7. D. 3 sod 6 minus 1. Solve for x in 8x to power minus 2 equal to 2 over 25. A. 10. B. 4. C. 6. D. 8. Biology. Organisms at the cell level of organization include A. Chick cell, amoeba and spirogyra. B. Paramecium, hydra and spirogyra. C. Chick cell, volvox and climadomonas. D. Amoeba, paramecium and climadomonas. Which of the following is not true of plants? A. They have developed excretory system. B. They respond slowly to stimuli. C. They have special growth. D. They have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The organelle that controls all life activities of the cell is A. Vacuole. B. Mitochondria. C. Chromosome. D. Nucleus. Chemistry. The presence of impurities in a solid will make the melting point to A. Increase. B. Decrease. C. Remain unchanged. D. Be zero. What is the percentage of sulfur in sulfur 4 oxide, where sulfur has the mass of 32 and oxygen has a mass of 16? A. 66%. B 50%, C 40%, D 25%. An organic compound of relative molecular mass 136 on analysis was found to contain 52% carbon, 13.3 hydrogen, and 34.7% oxygen. What is the molecular formula? C 12, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16. A C4 H12O2, B C6H18O3, C C8 H24O4, D C4 H6O. Physics. From the velocity time graph shown above, which of the following quantities cannot be determined? A. Initial acceleration, B. Initial velocity, C. Deceleration, D. Total distance traveled. A car accelerates uniformly. A car accelerates uniformly from rest at 3 meters per second square. Its velocity after traveling a distance of 24 meters is 12 meters per second, B 144 meters per second, C 136 meters per second, D 72 meters per second. What is the acceleration between 2 points on velocity time graph which has coordinates 10 seconds 15 meters per second and 20 seconds 35 meters per second? A 1.75 meters per second, B 3.5 meters per second, C 1.0 meters per second, D 2.0 meters per second. Economics. Choice involves opportunity cost because A. There are many goods to select from, B. Not all goods have the same price, C. Goods give different utilities, D. Available resources are inadequate. A consumer scale of preference is an arrangement of his A. Scarce resources in order of importance, B. Sources of income in their importance, C. Needs in the order of importance, D. Requirements and how to satisfy them. A student has 13 naira with which to buy a ruler costing 18 naira and an exercise book costing 25 naira. If he buys the exercise book, his opportunity cost is 25 naira, the exercise book, the ruler, 18 naira. Government. The power of a government to make policies is attributed. The power of a government to make policies is an attribute of its A. Traditional authority, B. Political authority, C. Charismatic authority, D. Judicial authority. Normative power is power acquired through A. Force, B. Induction, C. Intuition, D. Morals. Political culture is mainly determined by A. Ethnicity, B. The family, C. Religious group, D. Political parties. Accounting. An advantage of the use of voucher system is that it A. provides highly flexible system for handling unusual transactions, B. ensures that every expenditure is reviewed and verified before payment is made. C. Provides a comprehensive record of business done with particular suppliers. D. Reduces the number of checks that will be written during any period. Cash book can also be used as both A. Credit note and ledger account, B. Day book and ledger account, C. Sales book and ledger account, D. Debit note ledger account. Which of the following would be disclosed by the trial balance? A. Error on a purchase invoice, B. Overcast of total on sales account, C. Carriage outwards debited to sales account, D. Purchases from Audu entered in Audu's account. Commerce. One of the functions of a retailer is the A. Breaking of bulk, B. Provision of credit facilities to relations, C. Provision of jobs for customers, D. Financing of production. One of the factors affecting the growth of commerce in West Africa is A. Political instability, B. The role of advertising, C. Government intervention, D. The emergence of specialization. An advantage of small-scale retailers over large-scale retailers is that A. There is absence of credit transactions, B. It requires huge capital to set up, C. There is no personal relationship with customers, D. There is personal relationship with customers. CRK. God blessed and hallowed the seventh day because A. He wanted it to be a day of worship, B. It was the day he rested from creation, C. It was the day he created man, D. He saw that all he had created was good. God guided the Israelites on their way from Egypt to the promised land by A. Miracles that gave them direction on the way, B. The work of two angels, C. Dividing the Red Sea, D. A pillar of cloud and a pillar of fire. Let the waters under the heavens be gathered together into one place, and the dry land appear. In the statement above, the dry land and the waters refer to A. Firmament and oceans, B. Firmament and seas, C. Earth and seas, D. Earth and oceans. Yes, and that is the end. Please subscribe to this channel by clicking the button that is around this area, the bottom corner of this video, so that you can get our lectures that will prepare you for Jamb, WAEC, GCE and other examinations, and also take part in our quiz competitions. Once you subscribe, any video that we release, you'll be the first to get, so that you can answer. You remember, any subject you get all the three options correctly, you win 100 naira. Could be in form of recharge card or in form of transfer to your account. Thank you and God bless you.